Hello guys, welcome back. New day, new video. This is a new box you see for a brand new product, and now इसको open करते हैं. You will see what it is. Another toy, obviously from my side, brought from Flipkart, and here it is. I'm just opening it. It's very tight to take it out, but I'll just try. I don't know how these guys have fitted it. You can see the name over here, the spray climbing car. Let me remove this out, and finally it's out. As you guys see, it's finally out. And now I am just seeing the car. You can see guys, spray climbing car, the names, and we have a multifunction remote, the spray function. And let's see, open करते हैं इसको. And then okay, from here you can see the remote functionality is given over here. Okay, there is a right wheel forward, right wheel backward, left wheel forward, left wheel backward, both the sides 2 keys, multifunction key, and the center key is for the spray, 1 key spray. So we'll see how it works. So let's open this. I'm just adjusting the camera so that you guys can see better. Yes, now you can see it's a remote controlled one, and you can see full spray climbing car. Okay, चलो let's open. So यहाँ से ये open हो रहा है. Just open this. Keep the box aside. Let me keep it aside. And now, yeah, the box is here. Now the car is here, as you see. I'm just adjusting the camera again so that the camera lens captures the video of the car properly. Okay, यहाँ पे क्या है? Okay, this is the remote. I'll just open this. The remote is out. You can see the remote. यहाँ पे बोला गया है वैसा remote. Okay, the what you see, the color is not like that of the remote. Here the keys are some cyan color or turquoise color, but here the keys are black. These keys are working. Okay, so let's see. We'll keep this aside and back to the car. Okay, here it is. Okay, there is a charging cable, obviously needed for the car to charge. Then this car itself we have to remove from here. Let me have it out for you guys to see, and the car is out. Okay, one more thing, this one. This is the bottle spray nozzle to fill it, to fill the fill the water in the car. Okay, and you can see here there is a inlet for water to go inside. Okay, here the water, we will have to put the water from here, and then the water will go inside from here, and then when the spray function is activated on the remote, the spray will come out from here. Okay, this is how it works. And then there is a light to give a colorful spray kind of a function. Okay, or a display to the spray. So let's see. ये अच्छा दिया हुआ है, like here, like the halogen headlamps over here. Obviously they are fake headlamps, but it looks great because of this halogen headlamp setup given over here on the rooftop. Here a big bumper is there. Okay, bumper protection you can say, and it also has the headlamp setup, halogen headlamp setup given. Obviously it's fake halogens, but looks awesome on the car. And we have got the blue color out of it. So there was a red and there was a blue, so we have got the blue. आप देख सकते हो इस पे रेड भी अवेलेबल है जो कवर पे है, but here we have got the blue. And now we'll go ahead with the blue. Now it is very tight, RC car. And here now, as you see, there is this very good look of the car. I'm actually impressed with the look of the car. Just not कुछ भी नहीं बनाया है, like it's a good one. And यहाँ पे एक driver भी बैठा है. If you see, a fake driver is also there inside the car. So all in all, the looks are good. There is no suspension on the car, no suspension at all. Okay, but the car is good. So let's see how we will put the this out. Now here you see, guys, there is no battery compartment as such. There is an inbuilt battery, obviously, so you will have to charge the battery over from here, from the cable provided, and you have to just charge and let it go. So I hope the battery is there. We'll see. Otherwise charge करना पड़ेगा उसको. But first we will put this. You understand what I mean to say? We will have to put the screw out. I'll have to get a screwdriver. We'll have to get the screws out of the remote, then put the batteries in the remote, and then test if the car is working or not. Else we will not come to know. Then only we'll come to know if it needs charge or not. There is always a residual charge, as I have told in most of my videos. Always a residual charge is there. So in that case, it should work for some time, as I told you. Still we don't know. We'll see. Okay, this is out. I'll put some batteries inside. We'll put the batteries. So 2 AA size 1.5 volts batteries. Okay, and we'll just lock this up. No need to put the remote, and now we'll see if it is working or not. So I think it's not working. So let me check if we have on it or not. No, we have not on it. Let it go on, and now we will see. Let me put this off. Now we'll see if it is going or not. Yes, it is going. You saw this. Yes, it is going. So this one is working. That is for sure. See, the left, the right functions are working. So my platform is very small. Cannot afford to let it go like that. Otherwise, it will fall down from the platform. But I can just show you a glimpse of how it works. It's super responsive and works fine. You can see, guys, it works fine. Another thing I saw, there is this spray. This light is there on this spray function. Okay, so that it looks like a colorful spray or colorful mist when it sprays off. So let's put the water inside. Got some water. Let's put some water inside. I've got some water in this. Okay, as you see, some water is there. We will get this off and put the water inside this. It's a normal procedure. You just fill water inside. If you want, you can put some more also. Let me put some more. And then we will see how it works. It's full, I think so. So it's filling out. It's full. So guys, that's what it can hold. Very small amount of water it can hold. Yeah, it's filling out. So very small amount of water it can hold. But anyway, we will see how it looks. Now I will just spray it and see. Now guys, you can see how it looks. It looks like a real spray mist going out from this car. See guys how it looks. I'm just putting it off and on again. It looks awesome. Now let's see on the ground also how this car works. So guys, now you can see. Here the car is on the ground, and now इसमें एक function में एक चीज़ है, like whenever you press the front button, the spray also comes out with it. You can see the spray is there with it. Spray is coming out. So there is a default spray function on forward going. It does not work on backward. Okay, but since the light is there on forward going, there is a default function of spray along with this. So it keeps on going. I'm just bringing it in the camera lens so you guys can see. And now the mist, you can add to the mist like this. We will just put up the lights so that you can see how it goes. One moment, we'll put off the lights. So now you can see I'm just putting up the light of the ring also. Now in the dark it looks cool. See how it looks. It looks cool. It needs a proper light. Since this is a daytime, I don't have a proper this, and the problem is, since the battery's residual is down, it is just spraying it. See, it's blinking means it's showing that the battery is down. So the battery is going down, but it's spraying off. So it's a good car. The battery has gone down, else we would have charged it more. But yes, you can see over here how it looks. Car is not running, you'll have to charge it up. So anyways guys, it's a very good car with spray function. It's blinking, so that means the battery is going down. You need to charge it. It's off, so the battery is completely off. So that's it guys. I don't think it will run now. It will run for some. See, it's blinking. That means it's showing. It's just dragging. That means the battery is gone. We'll have to recharge the batteries. So anyways, a good car, and everyone will enjoy at home with the mist, with the spray function, and good option for kids, good gift for kids, which will love this. So if you like this, do consider buying. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and thanks a lot. Have a nice day. Bye bye.